Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Self-care is essential. It's not just about pampering yourself, but also about nurturing your mind, body, and soul. But how do you make it a priority? Start by scheduling time for yourself, just like you would for any important appointment. Practice self-care and prioritize your well-being. Meditate, journal, or simply take a walk in nature to reconnect with yourself. You deserve to feel your best, inside and out. When you take care of yourself, you radiate confidence and positivity. Embrace your uniqueness and don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's path is different, and that's what makes life beautiful. Remember, your journey is unique and special. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small they may seem. Growth happens when you challenge yourself. Step out of your comfort zone and take on new challenges. Learn from failures and use them as opportunities for growth. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Push through barriers with determination and courage. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and share this video. Your support helps us create more content for you. Let's transform our lives together. Subscribe for more motivational tips and join our community of growth and positivity.